Hello, I'm Kyle. Welcome to Daltons Wadkin. Today we're in front of the Elcon DS vertical panel saw, and I'm going to be demonstrating to you and explaining to you the double cut scoring feature. So instead of using a scoring blade, Elcon on the DS models and above, as standard, are fitted with a limited plunge depth to allow a reverse cut, full plunge and full cut down, and it provides a nice breakout free, crisp cut for laminated, faced materials and veneers. So what I'm going to do is put my PPE on, ear and eye protection, and flick the extractor on, and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so we start with the saw unit at the bottom of the machine, and we limit the plunge depth by presetting this toggle in the upright position. Turn the machine on, limited plunge depth, reverse score. Simply press the little toggle down to allow the full plunge. And we get a nice breakout free finish and a nice cut, which I'll show you now, without the need for a secondary or additional scoring unit. Nice and easy, no extra labour or time involved, perfect finish.